Okay, so this is about GitHub, how to register on GitHub. All you have to do is type GitHub in the Google, and then github.com is the site. Just click on it and go to sign up, because we are doing it for the first time. So sign up, and once you get in there, so it will ask you to enter your email. So go with 2022 at gmail.com. Okay, so you have to enter your email. Continue. Email is invalid or already taken. Oh, okay. So try with the email ID. Okay, this is not taken. So continue. Create a password. So you create your password. Too short. May be compromised. Okay, continue. So it's not taking still. Okay. Okay, and username, I'll say just write it down so that I don't forget it. And is available, so it will show the availability at the bottom. So I'll also write my user ID down so that I don't forget in a safe place. Okay, and then simply click on continue. And then would you like to receive any updates and all? I'll keep it yes, because whatever are the new updates I would like to have it. Continue. And then there is a small puzzle to verify that you are a human. Okay, so I'll start puzzle. Pick one of the squares that shows two identical objects. This is difficult. Identical objects, one is done. Where else do we have the identical objects? Two done, and third one, three done. How many will it ask? And 4 done. Thank you. Now create an account. Okay, save this, and then it has sent a code to the email. So I'll just check my email, and let me just check this. Okay, I have received, and this is what, 371656. Okay, it has taken it. How many team members will you be working with? You can put it up. I'll say this is 20 plus 50, and you select student. Okay, I'll go with this. And then what specific features are you looking for? Collaborative coding. Okay, automation of CI and CD. We'll talk about CI and CD once we come to Docker and all. So for that, security. Okay, then enterprise security, project management, team administration, community, maybe client apps as well. Okay, that's it. So select almost everything, and then here real world. So it is asking additional. This is for me. Okay, this is for me, but you can actually go for a free one. Choose this free one, and GitHub Classroom and benefits and all. I will not go at the moment. I'll do it later, but I'll continue for free. Okay, So yep, that's it. Your account is created. Simple. So if I have to check my account, see, my account number is there, my profile, and rest of the things we can talk later. But first you just have to create your GitHub account. It's so simple.